West Coast Auto Glass, satisfaction, quality, workmanship. At West Coast Auto Glass, the customer comes first. They have certified and qualified technicians for your windshield replacement and repair. Their shop is located in the city of Lynnwood, 21619 Highway 99, Suite D. You can also visit them on the web, westcoastautoGlassRepair.com. West Coast Auto Glass also offers mobile services. They come to your home or business. They service from Arlington to Covignton. West Coast Auto Glass will bill the insurance company directly and take care of all the paperwork. Call West Coast Auto Glass today at 425-967-5707. 425-967-5707. West Coast Auto Glass, satisfaction, quality, workmanship.